DSA. First possession ng DSA. Same ball. Shout out sa mga nagugutom dyan. Kay Manang, Sipos Vikings Restaurant. Nako, na-miss namin yan. Number 77. Nice pass. Pwede na kumain. Two points for number 1. Number 6. There was a foul given up by number 17. Same ball. Uy, naagaw. Tinira, Palpal. Same ball pa rin. Shot clock. Time to shoot. Number 7 tries from downtown. No good. Tinira. Black shot again. And a pull back, Wale. Another turnover. Tumira si Lance, number 11, Lance. For 2, number 17, harassed by 2. Number 11, almost a steal. Nice pass. Still, here comes number 17, lays up. No good, and number 12. Timeout, DSA. Coach. Happy Father's Day nga pala sa lahat ng mga 6 minutes and 55 for the first quarter. Tabla tayo on 6 ang ating score. Sipos Vikings Restaurant. Beke na rin. Pwede na. Nakatalaw announce na eh. Echo. Inside pass. Kick out to Lance from downtown. Wala. Putback. Palpal. Number 3, Echo. Trap pass. Sayang, ganda pasa mo na. Ayun, Sir Marlon, no? Naka-uniform na. Happy Father's Day, Sir Marlon. Echo, tumira, wala. Rebound by number 77, but there was a foul. Holding foul on number 3, Echo. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8, trap pass to number 2. Palpal mo na. 18 seconds shot clock. Time to shoot. Pull up, short. Bola ng DSA. Yao. Back to number 3, Echo. Tumira ng 3, wala. Lance. Or the put back. For 2. 8-6 ang ating score. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 2, wala. Number 7, almost losing the ball. And number 1. Number 7. Number 1, pull up, no good. Put back, may Echo, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 23, Casañas. Diretso ha, para mag-orto ha. Follow number 1. Substitution. Pasok lang, pasok. Free throws. Number 23, no good. Echo. Tumira, put back by number 14. Isa pa. Follow up, wala pa rin. Buti na lang nandun sa ito. 10-7 ang ating score. 3-point lead by DSA. Almost steal, number 77. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa. Muntik magaw. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Lakas na may kayo ng batang pa. Lance. Binigin pa. Narebound ni Echo. Echo to number 14. Diretso. Lay pa rin. Stepping on the line. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Turnover. Number 7, pass to number 3. Tulan. Stepping on the line. Our steal. Ganda na sapatos, oh. Kulay pula. Number 77 pula. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Echo. Doble. Number 4 to number 23 to number 8. 10 to shoot. 3-point. Casañas. $58 seconds for the first. Meow to Lance. Lance. They're good. Put back by number 6. Wala pa rin. Uy. Bumawi. Follow number 11, Lance. Second personal foul for number 11, 14 fouls for DSA. Number 2 points on last shots. 2-point lead. 20 seconds. Time remaining. 10 seconds. Two free throws for Lance. 5 seconds time remaining. First try pumasok. 12-11. 5 seconds na lang ha. 5 seconds. Uy, kanya pa rin. And that's the end of the first quarter. Ating score, third. Uy! Gandang tira doon ha, number 8. Lamang ng isang last shots. Oh, ganun. From downtown, wala. Uy, kasama na siya na. Number 77, lays it up, no good. Number 7 ito Lance, number 11. So number 14, umikot. Ganda ng ikot ha. Maganda lang ang ikot. Hindi pumasok. Nakagaw, number 7. Ayun sila. May tinawag na foul. Coach. Second try for number 7. Hindi pumasok. Number 7 lays up, no good. Time out. Last shots. Sir. Boy, pass break ha. The number 8. Drop pass, almost a steal. Same ball. Substitution. Aiden. Si Aiden Richards. 20 to shoot. Aiden. Number 7. Hoy, naagaw ni Kasanya. 7 na, diretso yan. Oh, may tinawag na foul ha. Pushing foul for number 7. Number 7, ilang foul? First personal foul for number 7. First try for Casanyas, no good. Second try. Pumasok, substitution. Cancel daw. Hoy, may traveling na nakita ha. Kay Aiden Richards. shot. Uy ha, galing ha. Agaw ni Aiden, agaw sa kanya. Pinasa rin sa Sanyas. Uy, natapit ulit. Ito na si Aiden. Aiden, pinasa kay number 14. Foul on number 8. Push. Third. First personal foul, second team foul. First personal foul number 8. Tumira, wala. Rebound number 45. Uy, rebound by number 7, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 8. So ito na si Casanyas. Substitution, pasok. Puasa, number 8. Number 8. Aiden. To number 25, wala. Uy, na-depensan ulit. Time to shoot. Wala pa rin. Casanyas. Pasok tayo sa pasok. Time out. Last shot. Time out po tayo. Time out. Okay, back to the ball game. Time remaining 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Kain muna kayo doon. Kain muna kayo. Lance from downtown. They're good. Pinasa kay number 8. Pumikit. Tumira. Pumasok. Ay, mga Roses team. Punta na kayo sa kabilang court. Mga Roses team. Basket. Roses team, para hindi kayo nakabala dyan, punta kayo sa kabilang court. Francia. Inside pass to number 77. And a 2-point shot. Basket count plus foul on number 11. Substitution. Third personal foul for Lance. So, hindi pumasok. Aiden. Number 8, Francia. Dahil bumangga ng konti. Wala. Nakuha ni number 77 for the putback. Lakas ng dapat to, ha. Ang laki. Si Sharma. Aiden, fakes. Pass. Putback. Wala pa rin. Lance again. Kanila pa rin. Time to shoot. Foul number 8, substitution. Meron. Timeout, DSA. Both teams, no more timeout. Ganda na laban na ito, ha. Parang ano na, ha. Number 7, Paulo pass. To number 26, wala. Si Byron. Casanyas. Pass to number 77. Ang ganda. Ano na. Laking foul. Circuit dry. Masuk. Number 7, Riau. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Uy, ang ganda ng foul to, kaya lang wala. Kaya pa rin. Ay, wala pa rin. Naglalabasan ng tira. Ito na si Francia. Ganda ng pasa. Ginawa sa taas. Hindi lang nakuha. Ito naman si Trax. Uy.
Training pa kay Kuya Lionel. Need more training kay Kuya Lionel.
Oo, ito talaga yung may malaki.
Foul.
Pawala number 2. Warning for penalty. Walang tira pumasok. 23, pumasok ulit. 45 seconds time remaining. $38 seconds. 14 to shoot. Nakuha ng DSA. Ito na. Ganda naman ang pass. Grabe. Ganda rin ang tira. 20 seconds. Francia. Casanyas. Well. Number 77. Wala pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Wala pa rin. 4 seconds. 2. Pumasok ka. Natali mo yun, ha? 30-24 ang ating score. Diyan po nagtatapos sa ating second quarter. Okay, third quarter. Lamang ng 6 ang last shots. Uy, running jumper, ha? Francia, uy, dinubol team. Lance. Uy, gandang layup ha. Para mo ni Francia. Kaya pala, kasanya, diretso yan. Uy, gandang pipensa ni Lance ha. Siapa umikot. Nakakuha ng DSA. Raise up. Daming sumabit. First time pumasok. Substitution. Ganda ng depensa nun. Pagpal. Number 6, tumira. For 2. Tabla tayo. Dali pinawi ha. Nako pa. Lamang na ng dalawang DSA. Parents, players, yung mga hindi pa maglalaro, doon muna tayo sa taas. Substitution. Yun, ang maganda, malinis ng baba. Oy, number 3, Echo. Napalo ang number 7 for 2. 34. Number 3, Echo. Ilan na yan si Echo? Second personal. Second team fouls. Number 77, lays up for 2. Number 6. Basket count. Number 3. Oy, heavy traffic. Number 7 again for 2. Na-rebound ni Lance. Another 2 points, 38-36. Number 14. to 6. Kanya pa rin, tumira. Foul number 3. Ilan na yan? Number 3. Third personal foul number 3. Substitution. Turnover, ha? Bola ng last shots. Over defense, ha? Casañas, nakalusot pa rin. Francia. Again, search. Tumira, wala. Number 77 lumikot, wala pa rin. Na-rebound ni number 7. Si Sirks. Hindi naman ang pangalan na ito, Sirks.
Cyrix kasi.
2 points for Sirks.
Cyrix!
Oy, steal by Lance. Oh, hindi na sa loob. Time out. Last shots.
Ay, tama mo nga yung search.
Wala, ang daming customer, ha? Baka wala lang matira sa amin dyan. Okay, pasok na, pasok. Last shots. Steal by number 29. Gandang pasa sa kalaban, ha? Perez, tumira. Put back by number 77 again. (40-38), lamang ng 2 points of PSA. Minutes and 34. 14 to shoot. Science. Points, ha, for number 77, 1 minute and 54. Tabla tayo, another tabla na naman. Foul number 25. Penalty. 23 ba yun? 23. Ilan foul line number 23? First personal foul for number 23.
Nakanganay, ma'am. Buti ko nakakapayat. Ilang taon na akong ganito nakatayo, hindi na pumapayat.
Dito masok. Ay, foul na tinawag. Foul number 26. First try, pumasok. Second try, no good. Lumabas. Search. Galing ng puribo ng bata. Ito ay gabi ha, binomba pa. Hindi na pumasok. Sound! Putsu. 42-41, 1 point lead. 1 minute and 7 seconds for the third quarter. Casañas to Francia. Time to shoot. Uy! Ganda naman ang diskarte na na. Iba, iba. May pinagmanahan. Lumabas pa, same ball. 10 seconds. 9 seconds.
Ay.
Pumasok. 2 seconds. Uy! Naipukul pa. Huwag kayo mag-dribble dyan. Mamaya na, mamaya na. Casañas from 3. No good. Rebound by Lance. Outlet pass to number 13. 18 seconds to shoot. Tumira. Ay, may tinawag na foul. Foul number 27. Second personal, number 27. First team foul. Sharma. Almost a steal. Time to shoot. Time to shoot, ha? Tumira na tres si Francia. Contrary. Nadali. Tabla tayo, 46 all. Pinasa. Uy, sobra. May foul na tinawag, number 13. Yung team ng Roses tsaka home court, mag-ready na po ang punta na po din sa kabilang court. Sa ating court 2. Roses and home court. Kilala ko yung ano dyan sa home court. Coach Benedict. 46-48, lumamang na ang last shot ulit. Hindi lang laban, lamangan lang. Ayun! Turnover. Nakuha ni number 77. Casañas, tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni Perez. Pinasa sa labas. Inside pass. Wala pa rin. 5-0. 3 seconds ang tinawag. Substitution tayo. Sabole, sab. 14. Hoy, bumaba. Wala pa rin. Yung team ng home court and Roses, mag-prepare na po sa kabilang court. Pasanyas. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Lance. Number 14, lazy rap. Wala. Na-rebound number 77. Jump ball tayo. DSA ball. DSA. Substitution. Si Cyrex.
Ay, salamat. Cyrex.
Lance. Kanya pa rin. Natapikan ng bola. Pinasa kay Casanyas. Pass to Perez.
Ay, mali.
Pinasa kay number 3. Echo. Ito na si Echo. Cyrex. Ganda ng pasa. Uy, dumindol pa. Foul number 2. Second personal, number 2. First try, no good. Second try. Pumasok. Number 14. Bumomba. Wala pa rin. Ang gulo. Number 7 foul. Second personal. Dalawa ka lang. 4 minutes and 15. 13 fouls for DSA. Casanyas. Casanyas for 2. Pinasa na Francia. Bumomba, wala. Depensa ni Lance. Eko, dire-diretso. Nakuha na may 14. Uy! Alam mo na pa yun, ha? Basket count, foul. Sino foul? Sino foul? Number 3, foul number 3. Fourth personal foul for Echo, number 3. Apat na yan, coach, ha? Apat. Uy! Wala. Echo, put back. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni Francia. Uy! Nakagawan. Science! Pumasok. Basket count, power number 2. Bonus free throw, ha? Pasok. Ay, mag-aanak sir. Jimson, dito ka. Uy, pumasok. Penalty.
Kaya ano, yan kasi parang
Same ball. Sapal. Number 7 goes up with good. Number 8. To number 77 of the last 2 points. Timeout. DC. Running score 50-54 in favor of Lashat. Okay. Ang ganda ng pasa, hindi na tinira. Fifty to shoot. 10 to shoot. Parsanyas, 2. Intercepted by number 77. To Casanias. Casanias being extended to 14. Intercepted by Lance. Lance. 2 minutes. Ang ganda ng pera. Hindi na pumasok. Parang pinasa lang. Casanias, Vinas de 26. Francia, Black. To Perez, Black, 2 points. Time out. Daisy. Remain time, 1 minute and 12 seconds for the last and final quarter. Okay, back to the boogie. foul goal. Foul number 7. 2 shots. Number 7, that was your fourth personal foul. Warning for disqualification in this game. Running score 56-58 in favor of Lashat. First attempt, Nathan. Second attempt. Yes, sir. Pedro Rodriguez. Rebound number from Pedro. Lance. Foul di number 77. Tumama. Block. Nagmadali. Timeout. Lashat. Remaining time for the last and final quarter. 23 seconds. 23 seconds. Count in, guys. Lashat. Player of Lashat. May matitirang 9 seconds.
Pasa kay Mels! Shoot!
11. Foul number 11. Lance, that was your fourth personal foul. Remaining time, 19 seconds. First attempt of Casañas. No good. Parang hindi masaya ang ama. Second attempt. Yes, sir. 19 seconds. He go for 3. No good. A foul ball. Foul number 77. Thirteen foul. A foul ball. Nice ball direct. Foul number 23. 4 seconds remaining time. First attempt, Luga. Second attempt. Yes, sir. Time out. Lashat.
Last shot, last shot. Come on in, guys. Four seconds, remaining time. 4 seconds.
Bakit nila din?
About one. Foul number 14.
Amen.
Red. Saglit lang, saglit. Okay.
First infraction, foul number 3. Second infraction, unsportsmanlike foul number 14. 2 shots. First, without jumper, and then 2 shots for the unsportsmanlike foul and plus ball position.
Unsportsmanlike foul. Sino ang... Siya pa rin? Sige. Oh, 3 seconds. Remaining time.
Congratulations, last shot. Final score, 57-62. Best player, number 23 and number 77. Sharma and Casanyas.
Okay, seconds players.